Preparing for the NUST Entry Test? You are about to meet your ultimate companion. Imagine having everything you need right in the palm of your hand. Net 360 Preparation is the all-in-one app built specifically for students like you who dream of securing a place at one of Pakistan's most prestigious universities. Finding the app is effortless. Just open your browser, search for Net 360 Preparation, and within seconds, you will discover the tool that thousands of students across the country are already using to prepare smarter and perform better. Your NUST journey starts here. Once you find the app, getting started is incredibly quick and simple. The login screen is clean, straightforward, and designed to get you inside without any hassle. No lengthy registrations, no confusing steps. Just enter your details, log in, and you are ready to begin. Welcome to your personalized dashboard, the command center of your entire preparation. The moment you log in, you are greeted with a clear overview of everything that matters. Your progress, your subjects, your performance history, all of it organized in one place. The dashboard is designed to keep you focused and motivated. You can see exactly which subjects you have covered, which ones need more attention, and how your overall preparation is shaping up. Think of it as your personal roadmap to NUST. Every time you open the app, you know exactly where you are and what you need to do next. No guesswork, no confusion, just clear direction. Now, let us talk about the most powerful feature of Net 360 Preparation, the practice window. This is where real preparation happens. The practice interface has been designed to mirror the actual NUST Entry Test as closely as possible. The layout, the question format, the timer, the navigation, everything feels exactly like sitting in the real exam hall. Why does this matter? Because familiarity builds confidence. When students practice in a simulated environment, they eliminate the fear of the unknown. On exam day, there are no surprises. You already know how the interface works. You already know how to manage your time. You have already answered hundreds of questions just like these. The practice window includes subject-wise tests, full-length mock exams, and timed sessions that push you to perform under pressure. Feeling confused about how the NUST Entry Test works? The NUST Guide page has you covered. Here, you will find complete, structured information about everything related to the NET, from eligibility criteria and registration procedures to test patterns and important dates. Choosing the right program is one of the most important decisions of your academic life. The program's details page gives you in-depth information about every program offered across NUST. Whether you are interested in engineering, computer science, business, or social sciences, you can explore each program, understand its scope, and make an informed decision about your future. Knowledge is power, and this feature puts that power directly in your hands. NUST is not just one institution, it is a network of world-class schools and campuses spread across Pakistan. NUST conducts different types of entry tests depending on the program you are applying for. The NET Test Type section breaks down each format clearly: Net 1, Net 2, Net 3, and beyond. You will understand the subjects covered in each test, the marking scheme, and the level of difficulty to expect. One of the most unique features of Net 360 Preparation is the question contribution system. Have you encountered a tricky question during your studies? Did you come across a concept that you think other students should practice? You can contribute your own questions directly through the app. Every submission is reviewed, and you receive expert feedback on your contribution. Preparation without structure is just guessing. Net 360 Preparation gives you a fully organized library of study material, broken down subject by subject and topic by topic. Whether you are working through mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, or intelligence, you will find MCQs carefully curated to cover every concept that appears in the NUST Entry Test. You can focus on one weak area at a time or work through entire subjects systematically. The material is constantly updated to reflect the latest exam patterns, so you are always practicing what matters most. This is not random studying. This is strategic, targeted preparation. What separates good students from great ones? Self-awareness. The Personal Analytics section of NET 360 Preparation gives you deep insight into your performance over time. You can see your accuracy by subject, your improvement trends, your average time per question, and exactly which topics are costing you marks. This data is not just numbers, it is a personalized action plan. When you know where you are losing points, you know exactly where to focus. Every session you complete feeds into your analytics, making your preparation smarter with every passing day. One of the biggest sources of anxiety for new ST aspirants is not knowing whether their scores are competitive enough. The Merit Calculator solves that problem. Preparing for a competitive exam can feel lonely, but not with NET 360 Preparation. The community feature brings together thousands of students from across Pakistan who are all working toward the same goal. You can join group discussions, ask questions, share tips, and support each other through the highs and lows of exam preparation. But the community is more than just chatting. You can challenge your friends to live quiz battles, compete in real-time quiz games, and track your ranking on the leaderboard. Healthy competition keeps you sharp. Knowing that others are working just as hard pushes you to go further. Together, this community turns individual effort into collective excellence. This is NET 360 Preparation, your complete companion for conquering the NUST Entry Test. From your very first practice session to the moment you walk into the exam hall, this app is with you every step of the way. You now have the tools to practice like a pro, study with structure, track your progress, understand your strengths, and connect with a community of driven students just like you.